how to use a GoPro Hero as a webcam, wireless and USB cable. Alright, so your first step is using the USB cable method. So first download the GoPro webcam app, download it and install the utility onto your computer. Once you've done that, go ahead and connect your GoPro with a USB cable. So use a USB cable to connect your GoPro directly to your computer. That way it would function properly, and please use an original cord if possible. And the next thing you're going to be doing is enabling the webcam mode. So turn on the camera and switch it to webcam mode on your computer. So make sure it is set to GoPro camera. Now, once you're done here, just go ahead and switch over to the wireless option. Now for wireless, just simply connect your GoPro to a Wi-Fi network. So for a wireless setup, you have to connect your GoPro and your computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Once they are connected, you could just simply use a streaming or webcam software by using compatible apps like OBS Studios or the GoPro streaming features to receive your wireless video feed. But the wireless may have slight delays and lower stability than USB. And then once you're done, finally adjust your camera angle and lighting by positioning your GoPro properly and improving the lighting for better webcam quality. Alright,